Good morning, Poke Freaks and Poke Geeks. Welcome to Pack a Day, episode 65. We're doing some more Surging Sparks today. Didn't get anything crazy from Shiny Treasures yesterday, so hopefully Surging Sparks has something cool today. Code card for y'all. Make sure you check out the 250 subscriber giveaway. If you comment on the video, you're automatically entered to win. And also, if you haven't heard, you should go check out the Discord. You can share your own packs and Pokemon art appreciations. Reverse Hollows. And... oh nice, Flamingo EX. Pretty good pull today. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.